What's the meaning of abysmally? Abysmally. 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 The word abysmally means extremely bad or poor. It is used to describe something that is of the lowest quality or standard. For example, you might say that a team played abysmally in a game if they made a lot of mistakes and lost by a large margin. You might also say that a student's grades are abysmal if they are failing all of their classes. Here are some examples of how the word abysmally can be used in a sentence. The team played abysmally in the game, losing by a score of 45-0. The students' grades are abysmal, and they are at risk of failing the semester. The restaurant's food was abysmal, and we left without finishing our meal. The service at the hotel was abysmal, and we will never stay there again.